Nanotechnology is awesome. Unfortunately, in my previous video on exponential growth, I only had space for one example. For my example, I chose the cell-sized robots that are over 1,000 times more effective at doing the job of red blood cells. This means that if I replace my red blood cells with these little robots, I would be able to sit at the bottom of a lake for hours, or sprint for 15 minutes straight with only a single breath. Now, as cool as robotic red blood cells are, and they're really cool, choosing them meant I did not choose any of the dozens upon dozens of other mind-blowing ideas, and look, I have to sleep at night, so here you go, more cool nanotech stuff. Nanotechnology can be used to make materials stronger, lighter, and pretty much better at everything. Super strong nano-infused steel allows for stronger buildings and bridges, super light materials allow for faster, cheaper land and air vehicles, and are starting to remove the barriers to space travel. Nano-infused plastics have turned old solar cells that converted a meager 15 to 20% of sunlight into energy into amazing solar cells that convert over 90% of sunlight. A future where most, if not all of our energy could be easily created with solar power is quite possible. Even sunscreens are made with nanoparticles. This decade-old sunscreen technology covers more skin with less cream and so is far more attractive to consumers. Nanotechnology also has many medical applications. Apart from replacing your red blood cells, nanorobots could hunt down cancer cells one by one, clear clogged arteries, repair old organs or paralyze the limbs, or take the role of your T cells and destroy viruses and bacteria. These little robots would also be able to create replacement materials like tissue for flesh wounds or bone to repair bone damage. In the future, if you cut your finger while preparing dinner, your nanorobots will first release chemicals to dull the pain and then quickly patch the wound up with materials they just engineered. Now this all sounds wildly speculative, but many of these nanotechnologies have already been created and found to be successful in preclinical trials. Unfortunately, many wonderful transformative technologies can also be used to enhance our ability to blow up as many things as possible. Those same super strong and light materials can be used to make stronger tanks, new armor for soldiers, and faster fighter planes.